Hi YouTube, this is my review of the MLR tire pressure monitoring system that is both USB powered and solar powered. I ordered this package from Lazada last Saturday and it arrived just this Tuesday. So, mabilis lang yung delivery. Out of the box, you get the tools and the nuts and the sticker for the unit, the charging cable, a manual, and the actual unit. And of course, the system will not be complete without the tire sensors. Out of the box, the unit doesn't seem to have any power, so it's a good opportunity to try the charging cable. And this is where I discovered that the charging cable provided does not match that of the unit. Good thing we still have a micro USB here at home. Let's check out first how to change the battery while waiting for the unit to charge. Using the provided wrench, firmly place it on the grooves and twist the cap. And that's it. Now that the unit is charged, let's see if it is as advertised. I can set up some basic functions, but too bad the manual isn't very helpful, as it seems there's a lot more function going on here. So far, what I've figured out is how to set the temperature and the pressure scale. So for now, I've set it to centigrade and PSI. Now I show you how to put the tire sensors. After removing the old cap, attach the provided nut. Attach the corresponding sensor after you have put the nut and secure it by tightening the nut and the sensor. Attach on all 4 tires and turn on the sensor. You have now successfully installed your TPMS. Drive safely!